Electromobility is coming. Hybrid powertrains are an interim technology en route to the all-electric drive. Hybrid vehicles reduce fuel consumption and CO2 emissions and increase driving enjoyment. Bosch Engineering has converted a sports car featuring a standard internal combustion engine into an axle-split hybrid vehicle. This vehicle demonstrates the Bosch subsidiary's cross-domain engineering expertise, as well as the promise electromobility holds for the future.
You can achieve more individualization of the car, more interaction of the driver with the car itself. You can increase the car handling and the car performances. So I think these are actually the main advantages.
The vehicle now features additional Bosch electric motors, high voltage components and auxiliary equipment. This makes driving not only more economical, but also much sportier.
In this case, we were able to increase the acceleration performances of about 21%, both for 0 to 100 km per hour, but also for 0 to 200 km per hour, and together with fuel consumption reduction and CO2 emissions reduction of more than 50%.
The company developed new hybrid strategies and driving functions for the sports car segment's discerning customers. Drivers can tailor different driving modes to their own personal needs, whereby the vehicle is powered solely by its IC engine, purely by electricity, or by numerous different combinations of the two.
With the hybrid strategy, we mean the logic which distributes the power between the combustion engine and the electrical motors. There are several hybrid strategies that the driver can use depending on what he wants to do, and he can also personalize the target of these hybrid strategies, if it's more economic or more power.
The car is sporty and agile, without compromising on comfort thanks to integrated vehicle dynamics control. This new function shows the full vehicle dynamics potential of hybrid powertrains.
This logic knows all the actuators included in the car. The point is how to coordinate, how to use these different actuators to achieve the best driver feeling.
Hybrid strategies, vehicle dynamics control, and many new driving functions. This vehicle is filled with technology. And to place it all under human control, developers at the Bosch subsidiary in Abstatt have developed a new ergonomic interface to manage communication between the driver and the technology.
We have implemented this concept by using 3 different input devices. One is the instrument cluster in front of him by driving, which gives us simple information which are useful for him to know what he's doing. Then we have a head unit with more information regarding what the system is doing. Then we have also a tablet which is able to configure completely the car as you want, offline or online by driving. All the different interfaces we have in the car are just managed by a central body computer which collects all the inputs from the driver, and it converts or distributes this information to all the actuators and all the systems which are integrated in the car.
Sporty, efficient and connected, the hybrid vehicles of tomorrow will not just reduce fuel consumption and CO2 emissions, but also enhance driving enjoyment and dynamics while being connected to the driver, the vehicle systems and the world around them.